So the first language that we're learning is C#, and I'm not exactly sure what C# does, and I've never encountered it before, but we're learning a ton. It actually does a ton of things, and there's lots of syntax that has to be memorized, and I'm a little lost right now.
Essentially, we've been learning about different data types like integers versus strings or booleans, and data structures like loops and arrays.
Yeah, we've been working on arrays. That's been a little difficult for me because it's more math oriented and sort of figuring out the formulas for things. As we've been kind of going through it, I've been getting it more and more easily.
I did a little bit of learning before starting this course. I taught myself a little bit with resources online. So I think it's been a little bit easier for me, but I can imagine that it's a huge amount of information for someone who's just starting from scratch. I think what's been challenging for me personally has had more to do with the specific syntax of the language that we're working in right now, which is C#, but the program that we're using is very good with assisting and auto-completion, so yeah, it's been good.
Yesterday, John had everybody raise their hand who thought that there were people in the class who knew everything, and several people raised their hands, and then he said, okay, everybody who knows everything or feels really confident, raise your hand, and no one did. So that made me feel a whole lot better.
I'm really looking forward to learning everything. We're going to be learning a number of different languages and formats and APIs.
You know, I'm interested to learn Ruby in comparison to C# and see like which one I prefer and can get easier to sort of figure out like what area of development I would want to focus in and stuff like that.
So like my main goal is to be able to make a website or an app from scratch. Like right now I just pull around in WordPress, but I think it would be really fun to just be able to start from scratch and build it as I need it.